choose to be kind.
Hi, it's Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. We're outside and we're going to make a bird feeder with Daisy. This is on the side panel of her package. So I have a few different items here. I have an egg carton, a toilet paper roll, and some water bottles. I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder with a water bottle. And our first step is just going to be to cut some holes through the side and put our pencil through. Then we'll fill it up with bird seed and we'll hang it up. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to cut a small hole on the side here. Then I'm going to cut one on the other side. Okay, and I'm going to stick my pencil through just like that. Now I'm going to use this funnel to put the bird seed in. Great, now that it's full, and I made a little bit of a mess here. So the pencil is where our little birds can sit, or they can just fly up to wherever we hang it. And then we need to cut a hole so that the bird seed can actually come out. So that'll be just above here. And I'm going to cut a bigger hole. Kind of near the top, so almost like it could be spilling out, and that's totally fine because we want it to be easy for birds to get their beak inside. Just like that. Now I'm going to tie the string around. Okay, it's ready to hang up. There. What do you think? I think birds will like it. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. And remember, always choose to be kind.